Here are two sentences, both with adverbs modifying the word cheer. Which one is more effective? Paul cheered sadly for his team during the championship game. Paul cheered gleefully for his team during the championship game. Since cheering is already associated with happiness, we could say that sentence 1's usage is more impactful. If you remove the adverb from sentence 1, you change the entire meaning of the sentence. If you remove the adverb from sentence 2, there's hardly any difference. Human emotions are complex. Using adverbs to direct an action away from its common interpretation helps create more dynamic characters and is a great way of applying it in your writing. If an adverb isn't effective, removing it would be inconsequential. Often, removing it would likely improve your sentence altogether. Alternatively, instead of using adverbs to modify the meaning of your verbs, choose more specific verbs as replacements. Instead of Paul cheered loudly for his team during the championship game, try Paul howled for his team during the championship game. It's not always easy finding the right words, but when it comes to adverbs, there is a way to determine whether it's necessary or not. When editing your writing, ask, is this adverb essential? Is it changing the meaning of the verb? Is there a specific word that is more effective? Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. Is there an adverb that commonly sneaks into your writing? Let me know in the comments below. And for more of these writing tips, check out this playlist right here.